Here we go, guitar. Kenny Rice on keyboard.